How animals eat their food. Bring!
Might have some of it. Sorry, sir, I'm late. There was a traffic collision on the M42.
Okay, I've decided you can be my business partner.
Oh, yes! My wife's going to be so happy.
Okay. So do you like that food?
Oh, I've made a new model of the hotel that we're going to be.
Okay. I'll look at them tomorrow.
Right. So since we're going to be business partners, what I want to know what you like to do.
Well, I like pretending to be animals.
So what was
Pretending to be animals. Like,
really?
Yeah.
I like doing that too.
Okay.
I always do that. So yeah, that's quite cool.
Want to see how animals eat their food?
What? Oh!
Do you want to see how animals eat their food?
Of course I do.
Watch closely.
I will watch closely. So you're going to show me how animals eat their food?
Yeah.
What are you going to do first?
Well,
Okay, that was a good one.
nice food,
Lizard. Go that way. What are you going to be this time?
Rhino!
Stampede! I've got a treat for you today.
What is it?
I'm going to be a kangaroo. Kangaroo! Pouchy. Yeah. So, what are you going to be today, boss? Boss?
Gorilla.
Boss? Boss? Boss?
I've got a special surprise for you.
What is it?
Hippo.
What?
Hippo.
So, boss, gonna be today? Boss. Parrot? Oh, alright. Good parrot? Oh, so you're gonna play the copying game? I suck. Well, I'm going to the pet shop. Bye.
Nearly at the end of my meal. What are you doing, right, partner?
Hey guys, it's PJ Snipes, and I hope you've enjoyed watching the how animals eat their food. It's going to be uploaded on
Today.
on which channels are
me, Kian Riley.
So yeah, be sure to like and subscribe to both of our channels. Request some video ideas and some questions for our Q&A, which will be coming on sometime this week or next week.
More animals.
Yeah, more animals for our how animals eat their food.
If you want to add me, I'll put it in the comment section, but I'll tell you as well. On PS3, it is Kian J1. So no caps, no spaces.
Yeah,
so.
and on mine it's capital P, lowercase j, capital SNIPEZ. That's all you have to type in. And then send me a friend request on Xbox 360. So sorry guys, if you play on PS3, I'm not on that yet. So everyone on Xbox 360 watching my channel, yeah, add me. I'll play some games with you. COD, Minecraft.
So guys,
GTA, yeah, so
guys, I've got GTA, Minecraft and all that, but I've got 14 subscribers now. Keep them subscribers, hit that subscribe button and like this video.
And guys watching my channel, what he said.
Put it in the comments. Put it in the comments. So.
Yeah,
We'll put
if you saw Kian's flying stunt with a parrot, he's a stunt man. And if you saw my kangaroo stunt where I jumped back and landed on the floor, I'm a stunt man.
So basically we did all of them. So
yeah, and there's going to be a bloopers after the bit that you just saw now.
One of the bloopers.
Yeah, there's only one blooper. It was near the start, where Kian did a whale. So if you didn't see that bit, skip it back. So yeah, guys, we're now stuntmen, so we're gonna have to do a finale. Are you ready?
Yeah.
So we're gonna pick one of our animals, and for next time we do how animals eat food, in the comments put whatever stunt, like whatever animal you like most in this video, and then we'll do the stunt in the next video, or put a new animal what you wanted to see do the end stunt. So we're gonna do the stunt right now. So come on, Kian. Yeah, guys, this is for the likes and subscribes for our channels. So I want to thank you all very much for watching, and remember we're stuntmen, and we've got our hoods up. We'll just show that now.
I'm a parrot.
I'm a shark, but I'm transforming into a kangaroo. I need to get this. Here we go.
This is... Wait until he does that.
So yeah, guys, I got my pouch on. Let's get to it. I'm just going to straighten you up. Now, hopefully you can see both of us. Kian first. 3, 2, 1, start!
So yeah, guys.
Bye!
Bye!
Bloopers!
I've got a surprise for you.
What are you going to be, partner?
Hippo!
Oopsie!
Sorry, guys. Way up.
How animals eat their food. Ba-doo!